Different location. Never fails. Never fails. I woke up this morning at the other area where I park at and kind of camp out, and as soon as I got out the car, there's like all this chemtrail right over my head. And I'm noticing this residue on my body. I don't know if any of you guys watching and listening, I've been noticing like this salty kind of residue on my body. For those that are, I guess, new watchers or subscribers, I've been homeless living in my car, so I spend a lot of time obviously outside. So I don't know if any of you guys have been having that kind of residue on your body. Just say something in the comment section. It's kind of like this grainy, you know, like the texture of salt, I guess. Just like, because I wear tank tops during the day because it's a little warmer during the day. So it's like around my neck area and my shoulders and stuff like that. So don't have the money to get it tested to analyze to see exactly what it is, but I've noticed that since I've been spending all this time outside. So if any of you guys, oh, just as I'm speaking, there's one that's shooting across the sky right now. And there's another aircraft. Maybe you can see the reflection of the sun off of the aircraft. It's kind of small. Hopefully my phone is picking it up. Yeah, it's crazy. Just, it's always in my vicinity for some reason. I don't know. When I talk to other people, they, I guess, really don't notice. But anyways, just wanted to share that with you guys real quick. I'm out on a job hunt, so they've really been spraying since I've been out trying to find something. But anyways, I hope you guys are doing well. Remember to keep God first in everything that you do, and trust in Yeshua as your Lord and Savior. Talk to you guys later. Bye.